Hello guys, this is lesson number 2 for the second period. It's entitled Rules Don't Have to Be Boring. Remember that I explained that in the verb to have, because we're going to use the verb to have in this second lesson. In this third person singular, we change the form of the verb have to has. The first part says, listen to Paul's conversation with the school counselor. Then we're going to check the things he has to and he doesn't have to do. So after hearing the conversation, if the things that he has to do, we're going to do a check here. And the thing that he doesn't have to, we can put an X. Okay? So then we go on step number 2. It says, look at Angie's activities, then fill in the blanks with the correct form of to have. So these are Angie's activities, the things that she has to do and the thing that she doesn't have to do. So then A, Angie walk the dog. So then we look to see if she has to walk the dog. Yes, here has a check. So it's Angie has to walk the dog. Second, she sweep the floor. We take a look and see no. So we place she doesn't have to sweep the floor. Here doesn't and have. Okay, you know that when it's third person singular we say has. She has or hasn't. But has, have is an auxiliary verb, and the verb to do is also an auxiliary verb. So then, because same way in the verb to do with third person singular, in place of say she do, she we place she does, he does, it does. So because we're using the verb, the auxiliary verb to do with this third person, we change it and say she does or she doesn't. And then the verb to have, we use it in the base form have and not has, because we already clarified using the verb to do. So she doesn't have to sweep the floor. Then we go on the following. What about you? Complete the chart. So here we have the chart. What I have to do, what I don't have to do. At home, at school. So here we are going to write something that we have to do. Well, in this case, you're going to write something that you have to do at home. Then here's something that you don't have to do at home. Here's something that you have to do at school. And then here's something that you don't have to do at school. Then step number 4. Listen to the interview and fill in the blank with the phrases from box 1. So this right here, we're going to listen to the interview. I'm going to have the interview upload for you in an audio. So you're going to listen and then fill in this space here with these words. Number 5. Unscramble the words to make sentences with most. Remember that I explained that most, both most and have modal verbs, and they are used for obligations. But have to is for external obligation, and most is more personal obligations. So we're going to correct the sentences and scramble them. Then 7. Read and circle the correct option to complete the school rules. Then listen and check. So we're going to listen and circle the correct form of the auxiliary verb most here, whether it's most, mustn't, must not, mustn't, or most. For the step number 7, the audio is not necessary because it's just to verify.